guys, today we're going to be doing Roblox. So I've got my Roblox t-shirt on, if you can see, because it's my first Roblox video. So we're going to go this way. Come in. Please. Please. Why is it not going? Maybe I press these. Okay, here we go. Oh, somebody's chasing after me. Help me. Help me. Is this Thanos? I want Thanos. Oh, what's happening? Begin working. Stop it, whoever. Who am I? Oh, I'm Venom. I've not seen Venom. Why is it going? Okay. Below this way. You finished the tutorial. Enjoy. Who is this? Who is that? Who is this? Who is that? Help me, guys. Help me. I am. Hello. Okay, we got something. Ooh. Do I have enough money? No, I do not. No. Okay, done. 2. Oh, I need 375. So, oh, I need 100. 200. If you've seen Avengers, tell me. Let me just see how many coins you've got. 6. I've gone enough to get that, but I want to get 70. 100 and... Where is it, guys? Oh, there. 750. Right. Okay. We have... Oh, we can get that now. Can't we? Can I get it, please? Oh, no. But most of all, I can't get that. 75. Forgot about that. Okay, get that. Oh, 730. Okay, that should do. That's also 60 mega. If you've forgotten, I'm Venom. Yes, I can. I'm Mega Drop. So this game is called Supervillains. I love Thanos.
Why do you love Thanos?
Because he's a bad guy. And he's in Avengers. He's in Avengers and I like Avengers. No, in Endgame. I mean Endgame. Don't die, guys. Can I ride on this, please? I want to be one of these blocks. Wee wee. Yeah. The next I need 370, 50 something suspicious. Need that. How many have we got? 1.8k. Get that, please. Thank you. Oh yeah. No one can come in my house. Let's put chicken action. Haha. Oh, doesn't open. Okay, that. Can I get that, please? So no one can jump over. Let me just test if anyone can jump over. Yeah. People can jump over. Okay. Need protection around here, people. Can I get these, please? Never mind. Can I get this? Can I get this? Yay! What is this? Ooh. Wait. There. Ooh. How? What do you mean? I'm gonna shoot you when I come in here. Actually, no. Ow. Ow. How dare you? I'm gonna go in my little cage. So you cannot. Why did you do that? Haha, you died. Hee. We have... Okay, finally, no. No, can't get that yet, guys. These are all my friends. Oh, there's some in-game and some offline. Oh, hi there, whoever just killed me. Kills me. I'm gonna get some money. Hang on a second. Nope. Nope. No. Hang on. What is this? What is this? Well, I'm all black and I can run real fast. Yeah. No, I'm content. Ooh. Okay, back to normal. Okay. I'll be running really fast. Oh, you are my friends. Okay, let's stop having fun then, shall we? I want to go for it. Thank you very much. I can get double upgrade. Ooh. Oh, somebody else. I'll run fast with them, shall I? Anybody though? Where's the tray? Can I get this out? Okay. No. It's a no. No, I didn't say no. No, I didn't say no. No, I didn't say no. Ooh, going down, need to get them. I need to get them. I shall know soon. I shall know soon. Go on, go and get them. There we go. Okay. So if you've forgotten, I'm planning. Then, okay, that's fine. We're going very slowly. Try not to push anyone out of the way. Can people jump over this? No. Just testing. By second floor. No. You're not going to be able to get over here. You're just going to die. If you want to die, you can. I'll let you in. You can come in now. Okay, now you're locked in. It's gone. You can get whatever you want. All free. It's all free to go. Okay, you want to get out now? No. Should have pressed that. That's 9. Get that? Yes. Again here. And then I want to go over here. Jump. Like that. I might be doing a Roblox video tomorrow. Anyone can come in my house. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.